Hey, natural lights, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another really quick video. And as you can see, this video is on my springtime decor. Okay, so who's here for it? I love this time of the year, and I'm so happy to see warm weather on its way. So I got everything decorated on the inside that just gives off those chill springtime vibes. I hope you guys enjoy this video. A lot of the items that I purchased in this video were from Amazon, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, and I'm just trying to make, Burkes, which is a local store here in Whiteville, North Carolina, for those who are everywhere and don't know what Burkes is. But I purchased a lot of items from a lot of different places, and I did some DIY things with some of the items that I purchased. So anyway, get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget, if you are new here, to go on over and subscribe to the channel and like and comment this video and tell me what you like most about the decor that's going on for this springtime feel. Like always, I appreciate you guys for being here, and thank you always for rocking with your girl, Little Miss Curls 82. Peace. One more thing, ladies and gents, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way every time I upload a video, you guys will get the notifications first. Thank you once again. Peace.